It's time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I'm your host Ben. Now let's dive in. So Bitcoin making a decent little rebound after the nasty drop and pushed all the way up to 35,000, getting rejected at that area off the 50-day here in the past 8 hours today. And then here in the last 4 hours, it started trying to push back above that 34 support resistance line that still hasn't made up its mind what it's going to be yet. I think we're pretty much at the bottom when we hit down here. We may come back down again, but this could be the start of some new consolidation for Bitcoin to start pushing up. Bitcoin is rebounding pretty decently, but Ethereum has been just slowly lagging behind. It did pop back up for a little bit up to 226 where the 20-day was, but came all the way back down again to the support at that 1900 area. It's trying to hold above it, but Ethereum really needs to get a nice buy-in volume pop like Bitcoin had, and it's just not gotten it yet, which is really concerning. So Dogecoin actually making a little bit of a rebound after the big sell-off. Got really far down there, all the way down to that 15-cent area like I was saying yesterday, and has made its way back up almost to 25 cents, holding most of its gain here at 21 cents currently. If it can get back above that 20-day, Dogecoin might come back alive. But you can see just this rebound compared to Ethereum is a much better rebound. That's what's concerning me about Ethereum. Today's top gainer, Ankr, up 31%. Was down here at these lows at 5 cents and has since jumped all the way up to 8 cents before getting rejected at the 100-day and pulling back to the 50-day. It's getting some little buy-in pops. This could be a decent one to maybe day trade with the volume that it's got. Could be a good scalping one. Looks like it's trying to consolidate here for maybe another leg up. So we may see Ankr up to 10 cents maybe by tomorrow, if it can continue with this nice buying volume it's had. Skale Network has made a decent rebound as well, bouncing off that 20-cent support all the way back up to 25. It is running into that 25-cent resistance, which may be strong resistance. It's kind of consolidating right below it at the moment, so we'll need to see it continue to consolidate and then break upwards to get over that. If not, it'll consolidate sideways and then drop back down again. So still kind of iffy with most of the market. We're just getting some nice rebounds after hitting these lows. One that I think is a really good deal right now that did get a little rebound, still trying to hold above its support line here at 80 cents. Algorand, I don't think should be under $1. This coin you can stake on Coinbase for 6.5% interest, and I do. And I've been buying it down at these prices. $1 for Algorand I think is a fair price, and during the biggest run Algorand did get all the way up to $1.87. Polygon MATIC got a little bounce too, getting rejected off the 20-day, but currently holding up like the rest of them. We could see this get back above this uptrend. If MATIC gets back above that uptrend, this will be bullish. It could easily run back up to those areas it was at before. There's a lot of stuff going on with Polygon. The Grayscale Trust, and I've seen a couple other headlines too that Polygon MATIC's name has been in, so the volume is staying pretty consistent on Polygon MATIC. Cardano, too cheap at $1. I think it should be at least $1.50. This is another good staking one, good blockchain project, so getting some buyers in this area, and it looks like buyers are going to continue to come in. I've added to my position. It's kind of almost the same situation as Polygon, where it's not that far away from being able to get back above the trend line. If it gets back up to $1.50 where I think it should be valued at, it will be back above there. If we start seeing more of a turn in the market, more of a push up in these cryptos, then we could start to see a bull move again, but I still think we maybe go sideways for a little while. Polkadot seems to be holding 15 as pretty strong support. Every time it's come down here, it has gotten bought back up. So I don't see this getting below 15. And this is another good staking one. I think 15 is probably a pretty fair value for Polkadot. Low end, I would say 10, but I doubt it would get down that low. So that's all the coins I'm going to cover today. If there's any coins that I'm not currently covering that you would like me to take a look at, leave them in the comments below. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until tomorrow.